Welcome to techegadget, where we dive deep into the latest and smartest innovations for your home and lifestyle. In today's video, we are reviewing the Samsung 38 dBA Bespoke Auto Open Door Dishwasher with the third rack washing system, model number DW90F89P0USRAA. This is not your average kitchen appliance. It brings together stunning aesthetics, whisper quiet performance, smart drying technology, and a robust cleaning system, all packed into one sleek, handleless body. If you are searching for a dishwasher that combines style with serious cleaning power, stay tuned as we explore every feature, function, and real-life performance insight in this detailed breakdown. Samsung has done an impressive job when it comes to visual appeal. The dishwasher has a modern, flat front design with no visible handles, allowing it to blend beautifully into minimalist or high-end kitchen setups. The auto-open feature responds with a simple push, eliminating the need for bulky handles and providing a seamless experience. Whether you choose the glass front or the stainless steel finish, the unit looks elegant and integrates well into both contemporary and traditional kitchens. One of the most striking qualities of this dishwasher is its near-silent operation. Running at only 38 decibels, it is quiet enough that you might forget it is even on. This low noise level is ideal for open kitchen layouts, where conversations, television, or work-from-home meetings often happen nearby. Samsung achieves this level of quiet through excellent insulation and advanced motor design. If a peaceful home atmosphere is important to you, this feature alone sets the dishwasher apart from many others on the market. The upgraded third rack in this model is more than just an extra shelf. It is a dedicated zone designed to clean items like drinkware and cutlery more efficiently. It holds 6 6-inch cups and 6 4-inch cups, and even includes a detachable tray for oversized utensils, such as spatulas and serving spoons. 6 rotating nozzles ensure that every item gets targeted water jets, resulting in thorough cleaning and no missed spots. It is a smart use of space that increases capacity without compromising performance. StormWash Plus is a standout feature that makes pre-rinsing dishes almost unnecessary. Dual wash arms combined with a rotating spray jet deliver high-pressure water from multiple angles. This intense cleaning action is capable of removing baked-on grease, sticky sauces, and food residue that would normally require soaking or scrubbing. It cleans more surface area inside the tub compared to earlier models and does it with precision. You load the dishes, press start, and let the dishwasher handle the heavy lifting. Drying dishes can often be a weak point for many dishwashers, especially when it comes to plastics. Samsung solves this with the Smart Dry system. It uses warm air circulation to dry dishes gently and efficiently, adjusting temperature and time based on the load type. Once the cycle is complete, the AutoRelease Door opens slightly to let out steam and draw in cooler air, enhancing the drying process naturally. This method helps avoid water spots and ensures your plastic containers, lids, and baby bottles come out dry without being warped. This dishwasher is designed for smart homes. Through the Samsung SmartThings app, you can monitor cycles, schedule washes, receive notifications, and even control settings from your phone. It also integrates with compatible Samsung televisions, which means you will get a pop-up notification when a wash cycle is complete. For tech-savvy homeowners who want to stay connected with their appliances, this adds convenience and control right from your device or smart hub. It is not just a dishwasher, it is a part of your digital lifestyle. Inside the dishwasher, the flexibility continues. The second rack is height adjustable, so you can fit taller pots and pitchers below, or make space for wider items on top. Tines fold down to accommodate various dish sizes and shapes. While some users find the second rack a little tricky when placing bowls, with a bit of adjustment, it works well for most kitchenware. Interior LED lighting ensures you will never miss a spoon or small dish left behind, and loading feels intuitive once you get used to the layout. Looking at real user reviews, the response has been overwhelmingly positive. One reviewer shared that this is the best dishwasher they have ever owned. They praised its ability to clean thoroughly, the effectiveness of the third rack, and how beautifully quiet it operates. Another user mentioned how well it handles difficult messes, and that even bottles with narrow openings come out sparkling clean. They added rinse aid to improve drying and found the performance to be flawless afterward. Users also appreciate the smart features, especially notifications on their phone and television when a cycle ends. While a few mentioned small learning curves with the rack layout, the benefits far outweigh the minor quirks. The Samsung Bespoke dishwasher is ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it meets strict standards for energy and water consumption. The Smart Dry System and AutoRelease Door help reduce power usage by avoiding excess heat and relying on natural airflow. These features do not only save you money on utility bills, but they also support a more sustainable and environmentally friendly home. You can also track energy usage through the app to optimize performance and reduce waste. When considering everything this dishwasher offers, the value becomes clear. You are getting a beautifully designed appliance with top-tier features like ultra-quiet operation, powerful cleaning through StormWash Plus, and intelligent drying that works effectively across all dish types. Add to that smart connectivity and interior flexibility, and it becomes one of the most complete dishwashers in its class. While it sits at a premium price point, the features and performance more than justify the cost. It is a reliable, stylish, and intelligent addition to any modern kitchen. Thanks for watching this detailed review on techegadget. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more smart home reviews and in-depth tech insights. Let us know in the comments if you own this dishwasher or are considering making the switch. We would love to hear your thoughts or answer any questions you have. Until next time, keep your home smarter and your lifestyle more connected with techegadget.